My name is Amit Yadav and today I will discuss about on the topic of differential equation. So first question will be rises on the topic of differential equation is the what is the differential equation? So any equation which contain dependent and independent variable and its derivative of dependent variable is called differential equation, and also discuss about types of differential equation and classification of partial differential equation of first order. So let's start. Differential equation are two types. One is the ordinary differential equation. A short form is ODE. And another is the second type of differential equation is the partial differential equation. A short form is PDE. The definition of the a basic meaning of the ordinary differential equation, that is the number of independent variable is equal to 1, where in the partial differential equation is the simple meaning of the partial differential equation, that is the number of independent variable is greater than 1 or greater than or equal to 2. So it is a way to define the ordinary differential equation and the partial differential equation. So move on the next, that is the in the differential equation there are the two main basic points, or we can say that a basic steps that is the one is the order, and these two basic points are found in the partial differential equation. So there are the two basic points. One is the order of partial differential equation, and second is the degree of partial differential equation. So order differential equation, that means highest order of derivative, of any equation. So that is the order of partial differential equation. And the second is the degree of partial differential equation. It means any equation which has those independent variable have the highest order of partial differential equation of power. It means power of highest order of derivative is the degree of partial differential equation. It's a simple meaning of power of highest order of derivative. I am giving an example, that is del z upon del x plus z is equal to 0. So finding the order and degree. So z is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. So what is the order of this equation? So highest order of this equation is the 1. So order is equal to 1, and degree means
power of highest order. The highest order, that means 1, and 1 is the power of 1. So degree of this equation is 1. I am giving one more example, that is del 2z upon del x upon del y, del x into del y plus del z upon del x to the power q is equal to 0. So first of all, finding the highest order of derivative of this equation. So here is the highest order of this equation is 2, that is the 2 of the highest order derivative, and here is the 1. So this equation of the highest order is 2. So order is 2. And next, finding the highest order of derivative of power. So here is the highest order of derivative is the power of 1. So degree is equal to 1. So here some standard notation of partial differential equation. Z is the function of x and y. So first standard notation is P is equal to del 2z upon del x. Next, Q is equal to del 2z upon del y. Next, R is equal to del 2z upon del x square. Next is the S is equal to del 2z upon del x into del y. It means differential of z with respect to x and y. And one more is the T is equal to del 2z upon del y square. Classification of partial differential equation of first order. So classification of partial differential equation, there are 4 types. First is the linear partial differential equation. Second is the semi-linear partial differential equation. Third is the quasi-linear partial differential equation. And fourth is the non-linear partial differential equation. So I am explaining each of types of the classification of partial differential equation. So first is the linear partial differential equation. So if any question are given, then this method used to find the what type of classification of partial differential equation. So small p to p into x and y, and q into capital Q x and y is equal to r x. R is the function of x and y plus capital S is the function of x, y, and multiply by z. And move on the next type, that is the semi-linear partial differential equation. So small p into capital P is the function of x, y plus small q into capital Q is the function of x and y is equal to r is the function of x, y, and z. And move on the third, that is the quasi-linear partial differential equation. Small p into capital P is the function of x, y, and z plus small q into capital Q is the function of x, y, and z is equal to capital R is the function of x, y, and z. And move on the last, that is the non-linear partial differential equation. The partial differential equation is not non-linear partial differential equation. So here are the four types and their classification. So if any equation in this form, then you can say that is then this type of the partial differential equation. So thank you everyone.